Associate Professor Viktor GRUEV began his research over half a decade ago.
You see, in this right image, the body is highly polarized.
He studied how people could see life through the eyes of the mantis shrimp.
How can we mimic their visual system using nanotechnology and other materials to make new types of cameras?
It's an animal that can see colors and polarization that human eyes aren't able to pick up. After developing a camera that mimicked this ability, he began to look at its medical applications. He and his team realized that cancer surgery was the answer.
That was kind of exciting because you bring this sort of mantis eye-inspired camera to help you diagnose these cancerous tissues.
Several prototypes later, he developed these goggles. They detect where cancerous tissue might be and alert surgeons to it through color cues. This is actually an earlier version of the cancer goggles. A camera would be placed in front of the goggles that would allow them to superimpose the polarization onto the image they were actually seeing. The success of the goggles lies in their innovative design. Because they can be worn, they allow surgeons to use their hands and don't make a crowded room even more crowded.
You have to sort of seamlessly bring in this technology. So the goggles make that kind of happen, right? You can have the most interesting imaging technology, but you have to fit it in the surgical workflow.
Team member Mr. Garcia says that when it comes to solving problems, nature is usually the best place to look.
Most amazing advances in technology are usually looking into nature and see how can we learn from that.
As for GRUEV, he says the success of the goggles is only pushing him to work harder.
It's definitely humbling. It gives you more energy to do more cutting-edge research.
He says it'll take a little over a year to get them approved by the FDA, and then the goggles may be available in local hospitals. In Champaign, I'm Claire Stukel, UI7 Newsbreak.